In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a period-to-date time-based calculation in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Period-to-date calculations are commonly used to track cumulative performance metrics like revenue, expenses, and sales from the start of a defined period up to the current date. For example, I'll use this workbook to monitor revenue from the start of the fiscal year to current date. Then I'll use conditional formatting to highlight when the year-to-date revenue has achieved the business financial target of $5 billion in revenue. I'll begin with a workbook loaded with the Financials GL Profitability subject area delivered by Oracle. I have a lot of data available to me, so I will use a filter to narrow my focus to the 2023 and 2024 fiscal years and the U.S. primary ledger. I'll exclude adjustment periods to focus on operational revenue. I'll right-click My Calculations, then Create Calculation. I'll name it Year-to-Date Revenue and start the ToDate function by selecting ToDate. To adjust the measure, I'll select it, then scroll down to select Revenue for Measure, and scroll to find Fiscal Year from the Fiscal Calendar folder for the time level. I'll then validate and save. Next, I'll multi-select the year-to-date revenue calculation, revenue, and the fiscal period. Then, right-click, pick Visualization, and select Table. The chart shows the revenue for each month and the year-to-date revenue column from my calculation. I'll create a second visual as an overlay chart with revenue as a line chart and year-to-date revenue calculation as a bar chart because it works better for conditional formatting. This lets me highlight specific fiscal periods once the target of $5 billion is hit. Now that I have my charts ready, I'd like to add conditional formatting to highlight at which point the year-to-date revenue reaches $5 billion. I'll select the Manage Conditional Formatting Rules icon and select Year-to-Date Revenue column and set up the rule to apply a green color to any values above $5 billion. Then I'll click Save and also apply it to the table chart. Now I can see when my financial target of $5 billion was reached. In this video, we successfully created period-to-date calculations. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.